What is up guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are making this Tomahawk. So guys, you know that I love footers. Footers make blade interesting, cool looking, and that is why I thought that if I make a footer all over around the blade, it won't weaken the blade and construction of this edge too much, but it will make it a little bit more interesting. Nice! Now the hammer part, and I know that it is unusual method, but I want to make it from two separate pieces, and it's only because I don't have a lathe and it will be just less time consuming. You might think why I'm welding this threaded rod to this piece. And it is only because I don't trust weld too much, and I think it will be just more solid if I screw all the parts together. If the welds accidentally break, the hammer part won't fly off from the X. So now the handle, and I decided to make it a little bit longer and thicker than the usual handle in the Tomahawks. My idea is to create something between the Warhammer and the Tomahawk, but I don't want to make it super heavy, and also I don't want to make it super light. Something between the Tomahawk and the Warhammer will be just okay. And because I still have this Warhammer idea in my head, I think it will be a little bit better if I add some balance to this Tomahawk, because it is really long and heavy only on one side. So I think that if I made a pommel, it will balance a little bit this heavy part on the top. So guys, the Tomahawk is ready. Write in the comment section what would you do with the Alt X. I'm really curious what's your idea. This is all for today. Have a great day. We see you in the next episode. Bye bye.